Every organization relies on the collective power of teams. But how often do we stop and analyze what makes a team work or falter? In The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team, Patrick Lencioni dives into the core issues that can cripple teams and provides insights on how to overcome them. If you're a leader, a team member, or anyone who collaborates with others, understanding these dysfunctions is paramount. Dive into this summary, and let's uncover the blueprint for building cohesive, high-performing teams. Remember to like and subscribe to support my videos. Unlock the potential of your team by recognizing and addressing these dysfunctions. Ready to transform your teamwork? Read on. Key points with practical advice. Absence of trust. Trust is the bedrock of all successful teams. When team members hide their weaknesses or are afraid to show vulnerability, it becomes impossible to build a foundation of trust. Practical advice. Team sharing sessions. Organize sessions where team members can share personal stories, fears, and aspirations. This can help break down barriers and cultivate trust. Feedback culture. Encourage a culture where feedback is given openly but constructively, showing team members that it's safe to admit mistakes and learn from them. Fear of conflict. Constructive conflict is a sign of a healthy team. Avoiding conflict can lead to passive aggression and unaddressed issues. Practical advice. Set conflict norms. Establish guidelines for constructive disagreements. This could include things like avoiding personal attacks and focusing on the issue at hand. Regular check-ins. Hold regular team check-ins to discuss any potential conflicts. This proactive approach can prevent larger issues down the line. Lack of commitment. If team members don't commit to a clear plan of action, ambiguity arises, leading to uncertainty in execution. Practical advice. Clear decision framework. Establish a clear framework for making decisions, ensuring everyone knows how decisions are made and who is responsible. Post-meeting summaries. After important meetings or discussions, distribute a summary of what was decided to ensure everyone is on the same page. Avoidance of accountability. When team members avoid holding each other accountable, results can vary, and standards can drop. Practical advice. Public commitments. Encourage team members to make public commitments. When commitments are shared openly, individuals are more likely to follow through. Regular reviews. Conduct regular performance reviews focusing not just on results but also on teamwork and collaboration. Inattention to results. Teams must remain results-oriented. When individual goals or recognition take precedence, the collective goal suffers. Practical advice. Team dashboards. Use visual dashboards to track team progress towards goals, ensuring everyone knows where the team stands and what needs more focus. Collective rewards. Structure rewards around team achievements. For instance, if a team hits a milestone, celebrate together. This reinforces the idea that collective achievements trump individual ones. With these expanded points and practical advice, teams can truly understand the dynamics of what holds them back and take actionable steps to foster cohesion, trust, and productivity. By addressing these dysfunctions head-on, teams can become more efficient, harmonious, and successful in their endeavors. Conclusion. The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team is more than just a business book. It's a guide to human interaction, collaboration, and the art of achieving more together than we ever could alone. Lencioni's insights remind us that the strength of a team lies in its ability to confront and overcome its weaknesses. So, whether you're leading a team or a part of one, remember that understanding these dysfunctions and actively working to counteract them is the first step to achieving unparalleled success together. Embark on a transformative journey towards creating a cohesive team. Face the dysfunctions, address them, and watch your team soar to new heights. Thanks for watching.